Hello and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Qatayef, a very popular dessert in Ramadan. Start off by mixing all your dry ingredients together. Add water and mix to incorporate, then use a blender to make a smooth batter. So for the batter, you don't want a thick or thin consistency, just right in the middle. Cover and let your batter rest for 30 minutes. Now that my batter has rested for 30 minutes, it's time to make the Qatayef. I'm going to use a frying pan on medium heat to create them. This is how your Qatayef should look while it's cooking. When the batter is completely dried out, that's when you know the Qatayef is ready. The next part of making Qatayef is making the fillings. The first filling we're going to be making is the nut filling. Traditional Qatayef recipes only use walnuts, but I like to mix it up with walnuts, pecans, and almonds. Using a food processor, chop all the nuts into small pieces. For the nut filling, we're going to add some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and some sugar and mix it all together. Now it's time to make the cheese filling. For the cheese filling, I use fresh mozzarella and fresh akkawi cheese, and these cheeses have been soaked for about 6 hours to remove any salt in them. We want to make sure that our cheese is crumbled up nice and small so it can fit in the Qatayef. In my recipe, I add cinnamon and nutmeg and sugar. The cinnamon and nutmeg are optional if you'd like to just have cheese and sugar. Mix your spices and sugar together with the cheese and set aside. Now that we've made our cheese filling and nut filling, we can go ahead and start making our Qatayef. To make the Qatayef, fold it in half and pinch half of it closed. This way the filling doesn't fall out. And when you do fill it, don't fill too much filling so you're able to close it. Let's try this again. Pinch half of the Qatayef closed to keep the filling from falling out. Add your filling, not too much, so you're able to close it. I have finally finished stuffing my Qatayef. Now it's time to fry them. Make sure your oil is hot enough. Once you fry them and they're golden crispy brown, you're going to toss them into your warm syrup for just a few seconds. Garnish your Qatayef with pistachios and devour right away. If you have any extra or make extra, store them in the freezer for later. These crispy Middle Eastern pancakes are to die for. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and ring that bell too.